Hello and welcome. This video we're going to show you how to make TCAS system test through the MCDU. We all know that the TCAS is an important unit computer on board of the aircraft Airbus 320. So let's get started to go to make TCAS system test from the MCDU. We start by putting an aerial on the nav position. Okay, aerial 1, aerial 2, aerial number 3. Then from the MCDU we go to CFDS, system navigation. Next, TCAS test. This shows you the test and the results on the PFD. You press start test. We note signs here.
TCAS system test, OK.
Now we got TCAS system test OK. Now we put that area of position. OK. Thank you and goodbye.